Hey bitches, we're gonna bake. Well, you can't see that. We're gonna be making some Cracker favorites. Super moist devil's food cake. Love that. Love that for us. Do I have any frosting? No. Am I probably gonna eat this cake all by myself? Yeah. Okay. I just need to apply coffee. Let's get started. I'm supposed to get everything. That would be a good idea. Water, vegetable oil, eggs. Okay. Exactly 3 eggs. Love that. I was looking where my 1/4 measuring cup went. It disappeared on us. It's kind of oil because we're having water. One and a 1/4 cup. Yes, please. Thank you. And in case you're confused, you're like, I thought this was a beauty channel. That's cute. I don't know what this is either, so welcome to my life. I spent like 40 minutes trying to position this camera angle, but it didn't work because it's so fucking tall. And like, yeah, my life is just a big struggle. We're humble, sweetie, so we use a whisk. No, my camera's sitting on my KitchenAid to get this tall for my fucking height. And, camera will get too shook if I turn the KitchenAid on, so I can make any other kitchen videos. I'm just gonna find a different angle so I can use my KitchenAid because this is a lot of work. A lot of work. Oh, how they have those chops where it's like the pole and then you just explode it all over yourself. I love that. In my little... in my little Pisces mug. Because I'm a fucking Pisces. Oh. That just solved all my problems. I need coffee to wake up. And you might be going, Cody, it's noon. And so then I say, fuck you. If I was a morning person, that would be great. I could get so much stuff done. But, like, no, that's a lot. I just, like, spilled them over. Oh shit, I didn't preheat the oven. Well. So yeah, I don't know what my channel is or where this video belongs, but we're here. I just like, ew. Okay, I literally flung chocolate batter everywhere. Like, New Year, new me, I'm here. Actually making a video. It's January 4th. Love that. It's January 4th. Everyone's making, like, New Year's videos on January 1st, and I was like, no. Just kidding. Yesterday I should have been doing stuff, but I didn't. Wednesday, I was actually on a road trip to Billings with my dear friends, Michaela, Olivia, and Amy. And yeah, that's basically been my week, besides working. Oh lord, oh lord. Can we do 9 by 9? Can we do a cute little cake? No. No. It's like, you can do 13 by 9. 2 8-inch rounds, 2 9-inch rounds, or a bunt. Ah! Okay. Oh my god, and they're even Christmassy, even though Christmas is over. Love that about me. Please. Break everything. I've just been falling down a hole of YouTube videos. You know when you do that? And we all do that, and don't lie to me. I see through fake people. Oof. Wow. Where did that come from? Don't know. Anyways, I was watching a lot of Jeffree Star videos, and I was like, I'm not a VTuber at all. Like, fuck. Thank you. And then James Charles, sister, calm it down, sweetie. Like, they're just trying to make a video of everything, but at the same time, I'm extra, but like, actually, yeah, I'm extra and petty, and I'd be that petty. I was gonna say, I wouldn't be that petty, but that's a lie. I would be. But I don't know what my point was there. Just a rabbit hole. I'm just a random bitch that does whatever she wants to do, you know? Live your lives. I was like, I'm gonna get done before the oven, but no. Oh my god. Rachel Ray, I'm coming for your weave. Anyways, this is how it's going. And there was batter on the whisk. Not bad. I was gonna say, I'm not wearing anything fancy, like, literally in my fucking pajamas, like, and I have to go to work at 5, so, eat my pussy.
Here we are. Oh my god, this is like way more than 24 more. Betty Crocker, why did you lie to me? How fucking dare you betray me like this? What the fuck? Oh, I was just took the whole thing down with me with the whisk. Okay. This one needs more. Second little scoop. Here we go. And then this one. Different piece. Okay.
Now it's time to put them in the oven. Oh my god, great. We're up, sisters. Finals. I will vlog this. Oh my god, I can finally vlog. I have a camera. I'm fucking professional now. Finals, when I'm literally killing myself. Because these grades about to drop, and then they go in the grade book forever and cannot be changed after that, so. I'm a junior in high school. Back with me. And life is rocky. It's like, let me try this YouTube thing, because I've always heard that usually work because, like, you have such an interesting personality. Someone literally said that to me. They're like, you have an interesting personality, and I was like, thanks. You too, sweetie. Get the fuck away from me. That's my favorite word. Bitch is like my favorite word. It's so versatile. Like, if you hate someone, bitch. If you love someone, bitch. Like, I love it so much. Let's get on to that topic. Let's get on to a rant. It's just a Hunty rant. Things are fucking expensive. Like, you try to buy anything and it's up the ass. Like, Montana's expensive. Like, love how many times I said like, but a snowblower. Here's now a fucking snowblower because I'm sick and tired of the driveway always being snowed on, and winter's just like, ha ha ha, bitch, get out there and shovel. And I'm like, triggered. And then, yeah, it's so much fucking work when I see my bitch neighbors with their little snowblower going. Then they look at me like, shoveling? Sweetie. a mini little snowblower that's meant for like a driveway is like $600. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Struggles of someone living in Montana, like, it's literally always fucking snowing, especially in the winter. We get like 6 months of winter and like, oh, no, it's more like 8 months of winter and then 4 months of summer. That's literally it. A few short months of summertime and then it's like, plunge you back into fucking winter, bitch. Get your fucking place. No, welcome to my, ooh. Did you my new life. I love how I just like flung coffee and I was like, we're gonna fucking marry. Most people don't even know where Montana is on a map, so. Love that. It's everything. They're like, where are you from? And I'm like, Montana. And they're like, next to Minnesota. This white mug is literally getting coffee stains everywhere on it. I must be flinging coffee around. I am. Literally, oh my god. I'm just flinging coffee on myself. Oh fuck, am I that dedicated? Yes I am. Spitters are quitters. Oh, let's not be a quitter, not today. They're done! Why did I open the microwave? I don't know. Also, stores need to fucking calm down. Like, it's not even well, it is January. But literally, after Christmas, they were like, February, Valentine's Day, like, setting up shit for that. And I was like, you're fucking kidding me. Like, gonna be alone. You can't see me. Gonna be alone in February. Like, gonna be a salty sister. Salty saltine. Salty saltine. Take a fork and fork them out. Pretty good, fresh and done. Now it's time to fill and bake again. Just rinse and repeat. There we go. Just beat the crusted shit off. Do that with your man. Just beat the shit off. Like yesterday, I did do stuff yesterday. I cleaned off my bathroom counter. I cleaned out the garage. I did a lot. It was a lot of effort. Interesante. Spanish for interesting. Aren't that common in America because why the fuck would exactly words. Why the fuck would they want to come here to be like called a communist or everything, like a spy? Oh my god, those Russian spies. Like, no thank you, not their cup of tea. They're just gonna stay with Putnam. Oh my god, he's had so many scandals here in America. I don't even think Russians notice anymore. They're just like, these bitches. These American cunts feel like they can just intrude our space. And then they're like, oh my god, putting on fake votes in America. And it's like, shouldn't that be a Russia news thing? Like, why do I care? Like, America, actually we're not going to get into politics. Like, that's not our channel, but anyways. Russians aren't that common here in America. That's the point I was trying to make. So I was like, oh, why don't I just switch over courses or add a new course? You can actually add a new course. You can do more than, ooh! I almost just fell, but you can do more than 2 courses. Okay, so that was rude. I thought the battery just died again. But it didn't. My camera was just like, too long, bitch. Bitch, like, what the fuck? Anyways. Duolingo. Not sponsored. Wish I was. I should be, even though I get nothing. But anyways, moral of the story, or the point I was trying to make was, I switched from Russian to Espanol. That's all I was gonna say. But I just rambled on. I'm playing today, not Code Red, because the Code Red is currently buried. And I'm not gonna try that this morning. We're not gonna fuck with that. What time is it? At like 1:40 in the afternoon. So here's our cupcake. We're gonna try her. Betty Crocker's screaming right now, like... Betty Crocker is rolling. She's on the ground, screaming. I don't hate it. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. It's me, bitch. I'm gonna try to upload a lot more videos now that I actually have a camera, and I'm pretty sure I can spark some ideas. Like, if you guys enjoy this, leave a comment, because I would definitely do more baking shit. Like, I can do more advanced recipes too. Like, I've made a fucking roll cake. I've made a layered mousse cake. I've made a lot of things before. I've even made fucking ice cream. What's still on the freezer? That's scary. But I made French vanilla ice cream. I found a vanilla bean in the middle of Montana and made French vanilla ice cream with my KitchenAid ice cream attachment. And we're already registering for next year. Like, I already have my classes planned out for senior year. Oh my god. Life just moves so quickly. Like, we're already going into the second semester. Fucking quaking. Fucking shook. Like that. It's like, no midnight kiss this year? I got you. That's fucking iconic because I have a pug. I would love to lift him up and show you all him, but he hates being held, and he's literally 20 pounds. Yeah, I know, he won't let me lift him up. Let me hold you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I like to be held. It's 2019. Start accepting people. Not acceptable anymore to be like, fuck the gays, get rid of the gays. We're here, bitch. We're here and we're queer, so eat our asses. This has been my baking experience. I'm not gonna wait for those to come out of the oven. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell icon to get my notifications whenever I upload a video, because it's very sporadic. And welcome to my 2019 life. Finally got a camera, finally getting my shit together. And yeah, just out here being the gay bitch that I am. Get ready for another bath time video coming soon, because loved that, and I loved how y'all loved that one. So, get ready. Bye.